What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. What is the most specific name for this shape? 1, I am a quadrilateral. 2, my diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play, and I'll give you the explanation. So first of all, what is a quadrilateral? That is a polygon with 4 sides. So something like maybe a square or a rectangle or a parallelogram. Okay. Now this next clue you may not know unless you're currently in geometry class, but it says my diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other. So what does that mean? It means that the diagonals are perpendicular to each other, meaning they form 90-degree angles, and they bisect each other. So one thing I might suggest is start with the diagonals. And by the way, the diagonals are the lines that you're going to connect the two vertices that are across from each other with. So let's start by drawing out the diagonals. I'll draw one going horizontally this way, and I'll draw another one going vertically this way. And as you can see, I'm trying to draw them so that they are both perpendicular and they bisect each other. So perpendicular, we've got these nice 90-degree angles, and bisect meaning this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. By the way, this is a great strategy to try and determine the type of shape that we have. Now, if these are the diagonals, these are all the vertices. Now let's connect the vertices. So as we connect the dots, we get this diamond looking shape. And you might say, oh, okay, this kind of looks like a rhombus, but how do I know for sure it's a rhombus? And by the way, a rhombus is a quadrilateral with the main defining piece being that it's equilateral, meaning all these sides are equal to each other. And they definitely do look like that, right? But how do we know? So again, if we remember back to our triangle congruence theorems, we know that if we can show that amongst two triangles, if we can show that we have a side, an angle, and another side in that order that are all congruent, we know that the two triangles are congruent. So we definitely know that to be the case for this one and this one, as well as this one and this one, as well as this one and this one, and all throughout like so. Meaning all 4 triangles are equal to each other, meaning all the hypotenuses are therefore equal, which confirms that this is indeed an equilateral quadrilateral. So finally, we can conclude from the shape that this is indeed a rhombus. That's how you do it. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining, and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.